I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing my acrylic case for a basketball. But first and foremost, I'd like to thank you to the company for sending me this product so I could go ahead and give you my full and honest review. So let's go ahead and open it up and check it out. So this acrylic display case actually has lights. So it's going to be super cool. I cannot wait to go ahead and put this together. We're gonna see how easy it is to put this together, light it up, and actually put a basketball in here to see what the display looks like. As you can see, the packaging is nice. Everything is nice and well packaged. Let's go ahead and open it up. All right, so I went ahead and unboxed it. As you can see, we got the acrylics here ready to be put together. You do get an instruction manual, so it kind of walks you step by step on how to go ahead and put this all together. On the back side here, it does give you different options for the lighting. So it does have the brightness adjustments, the flowing light, the static light. Also included, you do get this little remote control right here, and then some gloves, so when you're putting it all together you don't get fingerprints or anything like that. All right, so let's go ahead and put this together. I'm going to go ahead and show you that process and see what it looks like. All right, as you can see here, I am opening up the package that it came with. This includes everything from 2 gloves, a microfiber cloth. It has these little sticky things that go on the bottom so it does not move around, your remote control. So what you want to do first is you're not going to directly put the acrylics together. You actually have to peel this film that comes on both sides. This is just to protect it from any scuffing or scratches. It is actually quite simple to pull off. Just peel the corner up and then gently peel back. As you can see, it's super clear. Now you're ready to put your acrylics together. So what you want to do is go ahead and insert them to the little holes on this side. You want to go ahead and make sure they click in and they attach to the sides amongst each other. Once you have all 4 corners, you just gently lay the top part on and also snap it in. But take a look, it is a sturdy, nice looking acrylic case. It does include this base right here, so you could go ahead and place your ball onto. So once that's there, you want to gently lay your ball inside of the acrylic case. Make sure it's nice and centered and take a look. This is what the acrylic case looks like without any lights on. But let me go ahead and turn on the lights just to show you what that looks like. So this is the part when the remote control comes into play. You could change it from the different modes, speeds, and even colors. So as you can see, it definitely adds some personality to your acrylic case. Very, very nice. It definitely makes the ball stand out. So you could choose your favorite colors, your favorite mode. If you want to go ahead and have the still colors, or you wanted to go ahead and move around in the colors. But I love the variety of options that it gives you as far as colors and modes. It is so easy to change this. You could personalize it. So overall, if you're looking for a nice acrylic case that is simple to install, it looks amazing, and it definitely brings your memorabilia or your basketball, I would highly recommend.